In this video, I'll go over some other features that are available to you as a manager in a knowledge forum community. So to access any of the administration tools, you scroll up to the upper right-hand corner of the interface and click on the admins link. And when you do that, a dialog box will open up. And as explained in a previous tutorial, this default window that opens lists all of the knowledge forum communities that you are currently a member of. I have a long list here. You might only have one or two. But what this shows you is the list of your knowledge forum communities and the corresponding access codes and roles that are ascribed to members in this community. If I want to make any kind of administrative changes to this community, I'll scroll over and select the community that I want to make changes to, and then I scroll over to this edit link and I'll click it. And this gives me access to another smaller dialog box, which has a number of features in it. So here I can change the name of my knowledge forum community. I can add roles for community members in this knowledge forum community. I can also edit or create new access codes. But what I'm going to focus on in this tutorial here is this set of features down below. Now these features down below give you a choice about what information is going to be displayed when a contribution is posted on a knowledge forum view. So just looking at what we have on the existing view that we're at here, I'll just scroll out of this dialog box. Take for instance this note stripes. We can see the note title and then we can see the author's full name underneath it. Now these tools can allow me to change this note display information. Here are these two options, the star and no star option, as well as the like and no like or dislike options. So we're going to ignore these for now. But the default, you'll notice, is always set to the negative options. Now down below, we have an option to include the author's full name, their initials, or no name at all. So if you want to keep all the postings anonymous, you can do so by clicking on this checkbox here. You'll notice that the current knowledge forum view that we're on, it displays the author's full name. You can also decide whether you want to put the date and the time of each contribution. What this will do will just add a little bit more information here on the view. So that's set to a default to say no date and time, just to keep the interface a little bit cleaner. But you can also simply just put the date if you want to keep track of the chronology of a post. Okay, so I'll click date here, and that will be one difference that we'll make for this particular view. And if I'm happy with these selections, I'll click save, and I'll close out of this dialog box. Now we can't see the dates here, and that's because I just have to go up here to the top of my browser window and refresh the page. And now I can see that I have the date underneath the author's name for every contribution on this view, and this will be universal across all the views in this knowledge forum space.